welcome to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to show you how to make these autumn fox bookmarks. Here we go. If you're a fox fan, these are really adorable. Now what I like about our bookmarks is you don't have anything sticking out, so when the book is shut you don't have ears that get squashed or bent. So this is why we really like this type of bookmark. So how do you make it? You will need your piece of origami paper, so a square piece of paper. To be honest, any sort of paper will do, but special origami paper always works well. It's a little bit thinner. So take your origami paper, turn it round, and you take the bottom corner. So I'm trying to get it all into the camera. Move this over. Ah, dear me, not so good today, is it? So you want to see all the corners. So you want to take this corner and you take it up to this corner, like so. Do it as neat as possible. Here we go. Then you take this corner up to that corner. This is a really great introductory project to origami. This corner to that corner, because it teaches children and grown-ups to think about how things align and making nice, neat creases. There we go. So that's your, then you open it up again. Now you bring this, just one of them, down to the bottom. We're almost there. Now you take this one up, and this is different to the other bookmarks I've made. You take this corner and you bring it down at an angle. Basically, this is what's going to be sticking out as an ear. So you can sort of experiment to what kind of ear you like. You know, make it a bit narrower, a bit bigger, whatever. But I have it to about here. It's no exact science. I'm just guessing because I know how it will stick out. So here, this one, and it is worth experiments. You bring it down. Now this time you try and match it with the other side so that the angles are similar, because you do want the two ears to look the same. So those are going to be your ears. Then you lift and you tuck all of it under like that. And then you give it a nice little crease. Got one here. And then you tuck all of it under, and you get a nice straight crease here. And there you have your basic fox face shape. There you go. I'm just going to pull my ear out a tiny bit. That's okay to adjust it when you're... There we go. Get the creases nice and tight. Now you'll just get a scrap piece of paper like this. I always like using scrap. Why not? Recycle. Fold it over and cut like the top bit of a circle. So it's not a semicircle, just the top bit of a circle. If you're not confident cutting circles properly, either you can use a glass as a stencil, or to be honest, you can see mine's a little bit fat at the top, a bit flat at the bottom. It doesn't matter because the fox has a slightly sort of shaped face. I think this is maybe a little bit too thick, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit thinner, both of them at the same time. There we go. I think that's better. Let's try it out. Yes, I think that looks quite sweet. Get your glue. This is like a bit of a Pritt stick glue. You know, a glue stick's best, to be honest, but at the moment I've run out, so I've got this wet glue. I prefer glue sticks because wet glue sometimes leaves smudges or make your paper curl up when you're using it for this kind of craft, but this glue is fine as well. So press it down like so, and then you have your basic fox face. Now you'll need a black pen. I've got a marker pen. I might do it on here. You can see the little wrinkles, that's from the glue, but once it's dried it should be a bit better. And then you draw on a black nose, nice and black. Here we go. And then I'm going to draw a little eye and a little eye. And then if you wish you can add sort of the little black ears details, but again it's totally up to you. I just tuck this piece of paper in so that I don't draw underneath by accident. Like so. And then you do the same on this side. And you can see very quickly we have our fox bookmark. Really easy. Here we go. And the best bit, as I say, is that when you shut your book, nothing peeps out, so it's nice and smooth, but you still have some cute little ears. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check out some of our other crafts, and hopefully see you here again soon. Bye!